All right, welcome back to D.L. Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. Well, last night we worked on the front suspension here. Starting to look a little complicated. We did find out that AGE, they're sending us the wrong bolts for this. This should be 9/16 shank. So these don't have any looseness in them. So we fixed all that. I got to get some lock washers for these yet. Maybe I could use lock nuts. Nylocks. I don't know. I think I'll just put, since they have a steel spacer inside there, I think what I'll do is I'll just use lock washers on there. Nylocks, you got a lot of heat here and all that stuff, and I'm afraid nylocks, if the nylon lets loose, what's going to hold it? If it's more of a mechanical thing like steel on steel, I don't know, maybe I'd trust that a little better. I should get some dimpled lock nuts maybe, and then some lock washers. That would be, I'll have to look into that. But anyway, so we got that done. That far anyway. We still got shocks and spindles and bump steer and there's just a bunch of stuff to do here yet. But what I'm going to do now, and then the back here, I got the fuel line run, the brake lines are ran, just put the super stock leaf springs in today. Got that all done. I'm going to hit this up with some black paint here quick. And then, so what we're going to do, I still got some plugs to put in, but I'll do that underneath the car. But what I want to do is, this is the final deal. It's going to be on its side. Because now it's getting too heavy now. Now I've got front suspension on. I got leaf springs. Those springs are heavy, by the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tip this baby down for good. So let's pause this. I'm gonna spray that up quick with some black paint, and then I'll be back with you. All right, I got this all painted now. Springs have to be touched up a little bit more later, but I figure when I shove the rear end through the side of them, I'll probably scratch them again anyway. So anyway, let's tip her down, huh? Final time right here. It's going down. So let's get a good look at this all. Paint's still wet there. All right. Okay, here we go. Okay, I gotta be so careful here now. This thing can go nuts on me. I think I'm gonna move this. I can get the hell out of the way if need to be. She's gotta be heavier than shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's heavy. Oh my gosh. I think I overdid it. How am I gonna do this? Lucky's gonna go nuts on me in it. Can't get that pin to come back. Maybe I bent that sucker, huh? If I could use two hands on it, but I gotta have one on the frickin' pin. Okay. Oh, boy, she is heavy. She is heavy. She's gained some weight. That was scary. Oh, man. She's gained weight. Hopefully it's not too hard on this tissue here. Okay. Well, I pushed on my skin so hard that like pinched it. Okay. Oh my God, guys. Okay, that was the last time. I guarantee you I couldn't get it back up there. So I suppose I'll have to get it up there for some reason, right? Okay, let's do a quick tour. See what I did from the upside. Okay, so we got the leaf springs in. One bar super stock, by the way. Street race. Oh my God. There's our, let's see, I wonder if I got a flashlight handy here. That helps, I don't know. You can kind of see that tubular front end now. I gotta go on the other side, I gotta put the upper on. But obviously I couldn't do it, and I'm not tipping it back up on its side to do it. I have to do it from underneath. Here's our inside. We gotta put the sway bar in yet, you know. Got the master cylinder in. Brake lines are in. You know, real line just runs straight up. Has to be bent into place yet after the motor's in it. And then portioning valve, all that stuff is there. Front suspension. I gotta tighten up the K-frame bolts, I have to remember. Well, I'll go through this whole thing, but yeah, so. Yeah. Tubular front end. See now on that last video I explained how this upper ball joint and lower ball joint, see how they kind of coincide with one another. And the inside here, all ready to go. I just gotta paint the ceiling here, but I mean I got it rust protected, but I'm gonna paint it by hand with Rust-Oleum implement black paint. But that's gotta wait until I get her back on wheels, which shouldn't be that long. In the back here, here's the fuel cell. Rear lines around to it, all the way from the front now. So now as soon as I get it off the thing, I've got all the new metal welded in. I got to get it off of here so I can work on this all here. This is all in my way. So I got to do all that. So I'll get that, and I got to do the trunk jam and then the back here. So all the new metal's welded in, so I shouldn't have to do any welding hopefully, unless I find something again. Car's an epoxy. So anyway, that is the status now. And boy, do I got a mess in here with tools. But yeah, so there she is right there. Next step is to get it off the body rotisserie and get it on its own 4 tires. I got suspension work to do. All kinds of stuff you have to do. So before I can add any more weight to it, though, I can put that front arm on yet. Maybe I'll do the front spindles and stuff right away, and then I'll get her down on its own weight. So yeah, but that's the status of her. Anyway, please like and subscribe, guys. Take care. Have a wonderful day. And until the next video, see you again. Subscribe so you get the next notice of the next video. Take care, guys, gals. Bye-bye.